Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, in J&K, most times, or we can say for very much time, unfavorable circumstances hit schools very badly, by which you meet with a huge loss. Last academic year of 2019 and 20 became completely the victim of COVID-19 pandemic. You remained caged in your homes, schools remained shut, and finally government arranged a digital platform for you. And this digital platform isn't substitute for the physical mode of teaching. Face-to-face interaction is must. Their students finally appeared in the exams with 40% concession, but you have to do something magical to compensate the loss you met with. You have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work, you have to concentrate very hard. And these are the mantras by which you can take your sinking boat to the bank and will get things in your favor. Your students of class 10th to 12th and also JKSSRB aspirants. Today we are dealing with two more models, that is may and might. Dear students, primary auxiliaries I discussed with you a few days ago. We have and do our primary auxiliaries and they have ability to stand as the manvers. In contrast to these models which are almost 10 in number, haven't any ability to stand as the man verbs. They show modality. Modality means a mode in which the things exist. Their students, these modelers show permissions, requests, possibilities, will suggestions, balancings, wishes, all things which come in the modality. Dear students, now the question arises where may is used. Dear students, may is used for seeking permission and for giving permission, and it is the formal way of seeking and giving permission. Dear students, when you enter in the school premises, you ask your teachers, may I come in, sir? And teacher in the response says, you may come in. So, for giving permission, for seeking permission, may is the formal way. And even you meant when you proceed or when you go in different government offices, you use the same word for seeking the permission and the permission and the seeking permission, and the person who gives you the permission also uses the same model. Dear students, what are other uses? May is used for future possibility as well as the present possibility, and it is possibility that shows near possibility. For example, it may rain in tomorrow, it may rain tomorrow, it may snow in evening, Rashid may come tomorrow. So the possibilities both future and present are shown by model auxiliary may. Dear students, may is also used for wishes and blessings. For example, you often use word may God bless you, God may give you a long life, may you have happy moments ahead. So for blessings and for the wishes, you use word may. Dear students, now might. Might is past of may in case of indirect speech only. Dear students, narration is of two types, direct narration and indirect narration. When you find may in indirect narration like this. He said, I may come tomorrow. And it will get changed like this. He said, he might come next day. Reporting speech, reporting verb is in the past tense, so may get changed into might. So in case of indirect speech, the past of may is might. Otherwise, might has both use for showing the future as well as the present these possibilities, and can be used for seeking and giving permission, but it's not formal way. It's not as formal as the may. For example, you never use might I come in, sir, might I go out. You can use, but you are not using. So it is the formal way is of seeking permission is may I come in, sir, may I go out. Dear students, might is used to show future possibility as well as the present possibility, but it shows least possibility. For example, Rashid has come from Delhi yesterday evening, and today morning he might be in the home. It is the least possibility. Dear students, this is the use of may and might. I am repeating the things for you. Today we are dealing with two model auxiliaries, may and might. May is used for seeking permission and for giving permission is the formal way of seeking permission. May is used for future as well as the present possibilities, and it may shows the near possibility. It may rain in evening, it may snow tomorrow. Dear students, may is also used for blessings, for wishes. God may bless you, may God give you long life, may you have happy moments ahead. In contrast to this, might is also used for permissions, but it's not a formal way. We often use may for seeking permissions. Might shows also future possibility as well as the present possibility, but it shows least possibility. For example, he has come from Delhi 2 days ago. He might be in his home at the moment. This is the least possibility. Dear students, past of may is might in case of indirect speech only. Direct narration has two types: direct narration, indirect narration. It's the type. These are the types of narration. When you find indirect narration like this, Rashid said, I may play. Rashid said he might play. He might play. Dear students, these are a few uses of may and might. In the next class, we will discuss some more uses of may and might so that the concept will reach to you very nicely. But before leaving the class, I am advising you do see these things on your available grammar book so that the concept would be grasped by you very accurately and clearly. Dear students, English is a borrowed language, and English scholars and highly integrated, intelligent teachers can't control it fully. Dear students, you must see these things on the available grammar books so that you can grasp this concept well. And one more mantra for you is you have to make self study, you have to put extra hard work so that you can take your board to the back. Because our J&K often remains in a danger of academic losses. Dear students, my prayers are with you. Be blessed.